You need to watch this if you struggle with understanding why some crypto projects become essential pillars, while others fade away. Raydium and its Ray token, they're building something different on Solana. So what sets Raydium apart from the sea of AMMs out there? It's the first AMM built directly for Serum, Solana's decentralized exchange. That means Raydium doesn't just tap into its own liquidity pool. Its users get access to the entire Serum order book. More liquidity, tighter spreads, better trading for everyone. But Raydium isn't stopping there. It's designed to be a bridge, helping new projects and existing projects expand into the Solana and Serum ecosystem. As more projects hop on, Ray becomes even more essential, underpinning partnerships, platform growth, the entire ecosystem's evolution. Now let's talk Ray token economics. There are 550 million Ray tokens, all set to unlock over 3 years. 34% goes straight to liquidity providers, rewarding those who keep the ecosystem flowing. Another 30% fuels partnerships and expansion, with long-term lockups to keep things sustainable. The rest? It's split among Team Liquidity bootstrapping a community pool with careful lockups to prevent pump and dumps. If you want to follow a project that's leading, not following, keep your eye on Raydium and the Ray token. That logo might just be the next big symbol in crypto.